Morning. Our today's topic is how to make the subject of an equation. Subject means suppose the equation is 5x squared plus 3 is equal to 5. Subject means you have to write an equation and whosoever you want to make a subject. For example, this is only one thing, x a subject. So this x is supposed to be on one side, the left side, and the remaining part is on the right side. In this equation, we'll take 3 here. So it is going to be 5 minus 3, that is 2. We also have this 5. So we'll divide it by this, by 5, and this square will disappear to make it a root. So this is x is equal to the remaining. So now this thing is called this is the subject of this equation now, x. So in all these questions, we have to make x the subject, means we have to separate x and the rest of the equation will be on the right hand side. So x will be on left hand side and the whatever is remaining there is on right hand side. So this is called the subject of the equation, and this is very useful in some of the topics. For example, when we make the inverse, if fx is there and you have to make the inverse of the function, we use this method. So our first question here is x plus 2 is equal to a. This is x plus 2. So whatever is there will go to this side and x will come here. That is the meaning of making a subject. So this is a very easy question. I don't think we need so many separations there. So it is x plus 2 is equal to a. This plus 2 will go this side. So it is going to be x is equal to a minus 2. So now this is the subject. In the same way, this question, part B, this is x minus p is equal to 5. This plus p will go this side. So x is going to be 5 plus p. Part C, f is equal to ex minus g. Now we have x here, it also contains e. So what we are going to do, we are going to transpose or we change the side of this g. This is a minus g, it will become plus g. So you can write g plus f or f plus g is equal to ex. We have to separate this e also, so divide both sides by e. So you can write x is equal to f plus g over e. Question number D. This is x plus p over q minus r. X plus p over q is equal to r. We have to separate this. So in such kind of a question, first this is in the division. When it goes there, it will become multiply. So x plus p, multiplication, we generally don't write the sign of multiplication, we write rq. Now this is a plus p, same method we applied here, it will go this side. So x will be rq minus p. So we have made x the subject. Part E, I think this we have done part E. Now this is E and this is D. 3x plus b is equal to a. 3x plus b. There's one method you can directly take this 3, you divide both sides by 3. So you have x plus b is equal to a over 3, and plus b is there in the same case, so it will go this side and become minus. So x will be a over 3 minus b. If you want, you can open the bracket also. 3x minus 3b is equal to a. You take 3b there. It is the same way. Now f, I need a space for that. So let me delete this one. So now question number f. P is equal to pi x plus b square. Pi x plus b square. Same method we are going to apply. This is the term containing x's here. So we'll just shift b square this side. So it is going to be p minus b square is equal to pi x. Pi is here, so we divide both sides by pi. This is going to be cancelled. So x will be p minus b square over pi. So x is the subject here. We go to the next question, that is g. V is equal to 1 over 3 pi r square x. Now this 1 over 3 is with the x. So now we have to multiply both sides by 3. This will cancel. So 3v is equal to pi r square x. We have to make x subject, so we divide both sides by pi r square. So x is going to be 3v over pi r square. Part H, g is equal to cx square plus a. As you have seen, we are applying the same rule. This is a plus a. It will go to this side. So it is going to be g minus a is equal to cx square. Now with x square, don't try to remove this x square. First try to remove this c. So divide both sides by c. So x square is going to be g minus a over c. This is x square. So you can write x is equal to, now it is going to be the root. The complete root of g minus a over c. Question number I. This is y is equal to x plus p over x minus p. Now this question is, we have x at two places. So we have to bring it at one side first. So for this question, what we are going to do, we are going to apply the same rule. This is x plus p. So I'm multiplying x plus x minus p. So I'm multiplying by x minus p, and this side also x minus p. So what I'm going to have, x minus p multiply y. This is going to be cancelled, so this is x plus p. Now we open the bracket. So this is xy minus py is equal to x plus p. Now we have the term having x here, and we have the term having x here. So we'll bring this x this side. So this is plus x. So it will be xy minus x is equal to p. And you can see that this is minus py. So it will go to this side. This is going to be plus py. Now x is common. So we can take x common. So this is y minus 1. If you want to take p common, you take it. Otherwise, you can write it like this, p plus py. Let me remove this. Now, as we are doing, this number is with x is y minus 1. So divide both sides by y minus 1. So this is going to be cancelled. So x is equal to, if you want, you just write it like this. If you want, you can take p common. It is 1 plus y over y minus 1. Now we have the last part, that is part J. I have not received a solution from any of you. I think you are having a problem in this, and after this revision, I think you will be able to know how to change the subject. So this is y is equal to 2 pi root x over g. This term is having x, and this is all in the root complete. So what we are going to do, we divide this by 2 pi and divide this by 2 pi. This is going to cancel. Y over 2 pi is equal to root x over g. Now we have to remove this root, so we square both sides. You know that root and square are reciprocal to each other, so they cancel each other. So this is going to cancel this. So we have y over 2 pi square is equal to x over g. Now we have g here with the x. We have to separate. So multiplied by g and multiplied by g. This is cancelled. So now we have x separated. So x is equal to y. You can write y over, or you can write y square g over 4 pi square. Or you can simply write it like this. X is equal to y over 2 pi square multiply g. Hope this video is going to be helpful for you to understand how to make a subject of an equation. Thank you.